Home ownership is great in so many ways, but it can also sometimes be stressful, especially if you start to get hit with several pricey home repairs. So what can you do to give yourself peace of mind? Get a home warranty. So what is a home warranty? What types of things does a home warranty cover, and is it worth it? Hi, I'm Cami Hall with CamiHallRealEstate.com, powered by TCRE. Before you close on your house, you will want to order a home warranty. Home warranties are designed to help homeowners with issues that aren't typically covered by their basic homeowner's insurance, and gives you peace of mind that you won't suddenly get saddled with pricey home repairs. There are several different home warranties plans for every homeowner's budget, so you can get coverage for household components, including the electrical system, plumbing and drainage system, water heater, HVAC system, dishwasher, washing machines, refrigerator, and garbage disposal. The typical home warranty costs around $500, give or take, and you can often negotiate that in the contract so the seller will cover that cost. Your home warranty typically covers you for the very first year you live in the home. I always recommend that you get the most comprehensive plan available to you so that you are protected, especially if you are purchasing a home that is a little bit older. If the HVAC system or the water heater is quite old, there is a good chance that it could go out, and having that home warranty will save you if that happens. When you are prepared with a home warranty plan, there is no need to repair or replace systems and appliances on your own. Your home warranty representative will actually send a local licensed and insured technician right to your doorstep to handle all of your covered repairs. So if you need to make a plan, first call the warranty representative. You will pay a small service fee, about $75, give or take, and then they will assist you in finding someone to make that repair. At times, the cost of repair of the broken system is so much that the warranty company may actually choose to replace that system instead, and that is when your home warranty company really pays off. After the first year, you have the option to renew your home warranty if it makes sense to you. Home breakdowns are inevitable, and most homeowners know that repairing or replacing home systems can really hit their wallet. But with a home warranty plan, you will rest easy knowing that it will be covered if something goes wrong. If you need a recommendation for a great home warranty representative, I would be happy to connect you with someone. As always, I'm Cami Hall. I'm always here to help you with anything real estate related. So reach out to me at any time and have a fantastic day.